Okay, so today is November 12th. Finally got what I purchased from my column, which I've made back 100% of the money. So we will see we'll see how fast it sells. Now, of course, I have not opened this. I probably should have pre-opened this because they're almost always hard. Um, I do have a tool for anyone who's a CD seller. No matter what you're doing, if it's well, if it's if it's opened, it's actually what most people should do. Um, and I can also use it if I get deals for certain things. So this is my. Dang it! I should have actually. I should have probably have opened this up freehand or beforehand. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. This is my signed Henry Glenn limited edition. I want to say I believe this is a hardcover. I try not to show my address. Yeah. So yeah. Let's see. So yeah. So that's right here. So I should be able to, because I can feel where the book is, I should be able to slice down here. Okay. So, boom, boom. Got one more slip to cut through. Normally I don't say what I spent on a book, but this one will be pretty blunt on it. It was about $39.99, so about $40 ish. And so far, ooh, oh, did I get something else in here? Oh no, this is my order. Slave. Let's see. How can I get this open without showing my address? Sorry for anyone who is watching this in the future. Should have opened this sucker up beforehand. This will probably be around the 350 mark. I see where I need to cut. I see where I need to cut. Well, this is definitely not going to be getting reused for book mailer, because they, meaning like put it in a really wrong box. Like, I mean, I probably could have found the darn thing. How to oh, I don't want to ding this up too badly. There we go. Yeah. So yeah, $39.99. Basically, I paid like free shipping because the last one I bought so many things in successive days that I actually got credited my shipping for one of the last orders. So this is, ooh, damn, that's cool. So this is what the cover looks like. I would show the back, but the back might get me YouTube might decide that it's not for kids. So let's see. So this is the complete edition. Ooh, that's cool as hell. Let's see. So let's see. So this is a I will destroy you. Where is the signature? That's what I want to see. Maybe it's in the back. Sorry for this being over 5 minutes. Let's see if it's in the back. I think most signed books are in the back. And let's see. Okay. So, this is not the signed edition. I'm gonna be. It's in brand new condition, which is great. Let's see. So let's see signed and numbered, and I don't see. Oh, unless it's down there, but that. I may have to reach out to Microcosm on Monday and say, hey, what page is this signature and number on for this specific book? Because I don't see it. But definitely cool. So yeah, so this is the first book. I'll have to reach out to Mike Cosm on Monday as to where the signed signature is. This is the hardcover. Oops. This is the hardcover limited edition dust jacket signed by the writer, which is Terry Nielsen, I believe is what his name is. Yeah. Terry, Nely, friends. See this one. Now the other two shouldn't take very long. Let's see if I got to. So I'm gonna do this one next. And the other one, the other one I'll pre-cut right now. This one will be actually pretty darn easy. This is the tool, like I said, if you have CDs, DVDs that you need to test and they're opened. This is a really good tool, even for a person who's just doing like hundreds and hundreds of CDs. To stick it in here, burn it on iTunes. Normally I won't say this on this channel. And I will say this. The companies I bought it from, which was any big deal, don't like them. Takes for freaking bloody ever. I should have gotten this on the 7th or the 8th. They put it on the cheapest shipping. The cheapest shipping you could get. But it is cheap. I think it's the summer one. So this is the tool, like I was saying. I mean, now of course, I mean, if you can't get a name brand, that's better. I just didn't want to pay a whole lot of money for it. So I was like, what's the cheapest one? That's the cheapest one I could find. That one can be used packing. Now this is the, well, I wouldn't say cream of the crop, but we shall see if this is a red issue or what it is. We got the Freddy Bear cover. So this is a microcosm / TCP. So I guess it'll be like an anarchistic collection. Okay. Well, they did not need to put this in there to, that's so funny. $10 off DoorDash. I might actually sell this. I don't know what $10 off DoorDash would be. I don't know how much I could get. I mean, hell, if I could get $10. Hell, if I could get $10 for this, I might sell this. I might actually sell this. I'll have to see. I mean, I'm pretty sure I could freaking sell it. And yeah, it's in our Freddy Bear cover. Ooh, piece of the book is missing. I mean, that's not the world's first thing. Probably an A printing. Probably. No. Because I wasn't whacking up close by it. Let's see. Yeah, A printing. A printing. VG at the best. Just because of this little damn it. That little thing is a big thing. But, yeah, I'll have to see how much of this I can get for this. Sorry for this being 12 minutes. It took me forever to get the microcosm thing up, to get that sucker opened. So I got 4 things to sell. That's actually kind of humorously funny. I got 4 things and I only bought 3 things. Emma Golden book, CD DVD player, that'll come in handy. Actually, I'm going to open that up off camera and make sure everything is there. I mean, the blue ribbon thing is, we'll see. But the good thing is, I got another. Remember Campbell. So, peace out. Sorry for this thing taking so long. Peace out. And have a good rest of your day when you see this. Hopefully, I'll upload this before the end of the night. So, either people will see this in the morning or whenever you watch it. Peace out.